You want me to flip?
It go pop.
I don't think that's right. You want to flip it?
No.
Barbecue sauce.
He said he wants flip. There's a lot of vegetable oil.
Yeah, no.
That is the frog.
Hey. Barbecue sauce. That's why it doesn't look.
Flipping it. That is what it looks like.
Oh, let's cook it on the side.
I offered to pay Max originally $5 to eat the frog leg, and then I decided to go 2 because that's all I had. And little Jew here put in $1.
I only have $1. I use a credit card. It's like barbecue sauce.
Yes.
Another coating. The barbecue sauce will do just fine.
No way.
And after page 35 comes 36. And then 37.
That's exactly what you just did.
Bon appetit.
Oh, yes.
Look at no taste. Except for the barbecue sauce.
So you're eating barbecue sauce right now. I'm
You
flavored
want-
as
you want-
chicken wing.
You know
I don't like frog legs
I think
because
I'm
they're
good.
stringy.
Really, this is really hard.
It's
That
stringy.
might be because we cooked it 10 minutes. Just an idea.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Do you know how to cook frog leg?
Would you like to eat the
No!
gastronymius?
I do.
Who farted? Demon floated to the top of the pool. Don't you lie.
No, you just got bitch slapped by a frog.
You guys, you got some barbecue sauce on my arm.
That's okay. It's the same thing, just different views.
He just wants to screw
You just eat the bone.
That's what I do. Done.
The end.